This is a 10 thread, 10 row repeat pattern using 4 colours. So I've got the black here, then I've got my first colour, second colour, black again, and another colour in the centre. And these want to be symmetrical mirror images of each other, these sections. For row 1, you want to start with the forward knot. And a backward knot. And a forward knot. And another forward knot. And a backward knot. For row 2, you want to ignore the first and last threads and then two backward knots. And then 2 forward knots. For row 3, you want to do a backward forward knot. Backward knot. Two forward knots. And a forward backward knot. For row 4, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do a backward forward knot, another backward forward knot, and then 2 forward backward knots. For row 5, you want to do a backward forward knot, two forward knots, a backward knot, and a forward backward knot. For row 6, ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do 2 forward knots, a backward knot, and then a forward knot. For row 7, you want to do a backward forward knot, two forward knots, a backward knot, and a forward backward knot. For row 8, ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do a forward backward knot, forward knot, a backward knot, and a backward forward knot. For row 9 you want to do a backward knot, two forward knots, a backward knot, and a forward knot. For row 10, ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do two backward knots, and two forward knots. So once you've done those 10 rows, you'll notice that your colours aren't back in the original order, but the knotting sequence just repeats again, and it repeats 3 times. So although when you look online you'll see that it's a 30 row repeat pattern, the first 10 rows are the only real rows that you need to keep copying. So rather than making the video too long, I just did the first 10 rows. You don't have to worry about the colours being different as long as you just follow the knotting pattern for your next 10 rows and the 10 rows after that. If you are eagle-eyed and do go on the pattern, you will notice that there is one difference that I did pick up, which is that the first knot on row 2 is not the same as the first knot on row 12 and row 22. On the first one it goes forward, and then on the first one it goes backward, and then on the subsequent ones it goes forward. But because it's the same colour, being a black thread for both of them, it really doesn't matter.